Nakalaga. Wala, ganyan.
How are you guys? Good evening. Think twice. This is a melody when you and me paradise. Good. Gandang gabi. Salamat sa thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone here. Thank you. Hi, welcome to my live. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god. Thank you guys. Kailangan natin magpaganda. Hello! Magandang gabi, mahal kong Pilipinas. Pilipinas kong mahal.
Uyo!
Mahal natin ang Pilipinas.
Dala ka rin yan.
Kailangan natin magpaganda. Kasi, nakakaedad na. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sino ba yung thumbs up? Thank you to those people who join me right now. Silent viewer, watcher.
Rico,
Thank you for joining me here. Thank you po.
talaga.
Si ano, si Gio, yada na. Si, Torren, si Tanto, yada na. Thank you for the thumbs up. My God. World videos. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. World videos. Wow, world videos. Where are you from, world videos? Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, 16 people here now. Thank you. I am from Pakistan. Okay. Nice to meet you. World videos. Me, I am from Philippines. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thumbs up. Higher country, I am from Philippines. 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 Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Good. Thank you. There is noise around you, yeah. My parents watching TV, the kids, my son in there, and his cousin playing games. At home. I think ML like that. See me what is happening around you. It's another room. It's another room. Like that. It's another room. Thanks. Welcome. Thank you for the thumbs up. Not yet, but I'm getting married soon.
Ayak. Na talaga ako nga nagawin mo na. Kailan? Ako. Sabi na magbakal pa.
Thank you for the thumbs up and watching. Where are you from, guys? You're so beautiful. Oh, thank you. World Videos. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. Bakit nga ba ako magalit? Maybe it's just a point. Do you have a boyfriend? Yeah, I have a boyfriend. I have. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the watching. 19 people here. Thank you so much, guys. What is his name? His name Tim. Auntie. Hi, Rosalie Baringal. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Ngayon ko kape. Come here na. I will give you a coffee. Kana, kay tagan kape. Bigyan kita kape. Ngayon kape. Tara, at mabigyan ng kape. Okada, hi Okada. Okada na ang kamote. Hi Mark from Australia. Hi Cheryl. Hi Mark. Thank you for joining, Mark. It's been a long days no here. Maybe because she joined here now because Sunday weekend, rest day, no work, something like that. Not busy. Not too much busy. Para ngayon ko kape be. Sige ba? Para di ko katulog. Okay, sige. You look tired. And I'm not tired. Maybe I don't know. I'm not tired. Well, I don't need his name. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you, guys. I look tired. Maybe I look tired. Maybe I'm just... Hi, Golden. Oh my God, you're here now. Wow. Thank you, Golden. Gosh. Thanks. Hi, what are you doing, Golden? What? How's Manila? How's America? Hi, Kas. Morning and good evening. Hi, Insan. Mga taga-America to. Golden House America. Boring. Boring? Why is it boring? Maybe because you work a lot. That's work home, pay the bills, work home, no time for enjoyment in life. That's why it feel boring. Maybe because. Hi, Insan! Kumusta? Magandang umaga. Magandang gabi dito sa atin. Pretty much. Pretty much. Pretty much golden. Pay the bills and the pretty much. Pay the bills is life in America. But a lot of opportunity, but cost of living is expensive. That's why. I'm good cause same old still. same same old brand new you. Same same old still. Yeah, for you not using. Not for you. Yeah, for you, not US. Okay. Here? Here, good here, but life is difficult here, but it's fine. It's it's really difficult to earn money, but it's okay. Survive every day. Surviving every day. Ah, la, la, la. We all doing that. Maybe you need some rest. Sometimes you need to enjoy the life by not just trusting golden, just like can we all just have a lot of money? Yeah, can we all just a lot of money and we do everything we want, go travel, enjoy the life, some and uh, live the vacation with something like that. Spend the vacation with no work for one, no worries for pay the bills, something like. Yes, we need a lot. We need money. People want money. People think about money. Yeah. One of the powerful in this world is money. That's why people change because of money. Mm, 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 mm. Eh, I don't think money changed people. I think it was already them. Yeah. Me, people influence money. Like diet, people influence and like some they getting bad and some are being bad and some being good for money. Antok ka na Kasmi, pumipikit pa rin mata ko. Wanna sleep still Okay lang. Sunday today pero okay naman na to, naghilata naman ako. Nagpahinga naman ako ngayong araw pero parang it's not enough. Not enough. express. Oh, oras daw kailangan ipahinga yan minsan. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Thank you for joining. 7 million here. Thank you guys. Don't you want to like I need you, baby? Thank you for the 29 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Sing hi guys. How are you guys? Me, I'm fine guys. Thank you guys. Korean language. I don't understand Korean language. Thank you for the Hindi joining here. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Hi, thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 13 people here. Thank you so much. Cause out na muna. Ako mag-sleep muna ako. Antok pa talaga. Sige lang, Insan. Thank you sa pag-join. Sige lang. Health is well. Ano yan ito eh. It's time to rest because today is a rest day. The David Nix. Hi, the David Nix. Cute. Cute. Thank you, Sir David Nix. Thank you. Cute. Cute. Where are you from, David Nix? Oh. William. Hi, William. Good morning, sweetheart. Hi, William Laporte. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Turun ka na kay may pasok ako.
Wala mga may eskwela.
Si Sabi.
Ika. Isa.
Nag-chat ba?
Ako.
Bakit daw?
Ano, pangit. Ay, pasaksak man.
Don't you want you like I need you, baby? Need you now. All you gotta do is wait. I like that. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. sa London. Sa kape. Hi Golden. She got back like a thing. She got back. What are you doing, Golden? Buklad mo na, Kuya Gab. Gab, ibuklad mo na. Ngayon, hindi mo na
Drama.
ibuklad mo na, maturog ka naman. Ibuklad mo na, dali. Dali na. Oh, para iirog mo na lang yung sunog.
Yan ang makalagay ng drama.
Wala kang cellphone. I think what I need to do this morning. I need breakfast. After breakfast, what are you doing? Exercise? Something like that. Do exercise. Laundry. Clean home. What else? Cook food. Cook the food. Picnic. Small shopping. Walking. Walking exercise. Did you have a beautiful day today? I love to watch you dance. I do Zumba today. Morning, I do Zumba. And have a good day for me today. Lovely day. Too cold to walk today. Cold there in America now. Too cold to walk today. Okay. Maybe driving. Maybe run, jogging. Maybe you need to sweat. Already did clothes. Yeah. Need to jogging. Pag ikaw naturog dun, Gab, yun mo talaga ikaw.
Okay.
Di mo yun anuhon? Go. So, hi Dean. Oh, hi Dean. Hello Dean.
Lang.
Sige na. Hoy. Ako na talaga ako sa inyo. Sabihan ka. I see you later. Bye bye, sweet. Bye bye. Take care, William. God bless. See you later. Next live. Take care. Bye. Wala na. Speechless. Wala na akong masabi. No words to say. I don't know what to say. What you do today? Me? I do today. I wash clothes, clean home, rest, take a nap, cook food, clean outside, writing. You already had dinner, yeah? Already had dinner. Already ate dinner.
Dahil nakakangalay ang paghahalo, madalas tulungan si Marita, tina Jonard at Charles. Wala kami dito ng alas 3 ng madaling araw. Kasi yung patog namin alas 7 ng araw-araw ay bibigyan kami ng 20 pesos. Ang minasang dough, inulma, inilatag sa ginupit-gupit na dahon ng saging at saka pinaalsa. Kung mainit ang panahon,
Sunday today here. Oh yeah, here morning there, here Sunday night. Different time. Sunday morning, Sunday night here, Sunday evening. Yeah.
Limang tabo o anim, pwede makaluto na yung lahat. Dahil sa init ng upuan, si Marita, nakakailang palit ng damit. Maganda talaga doon kung marinig ka rin sa pawis.
Nice shirt. Thank you. Thank you, Golden.
Ang iba, gusto nila yung video sunog kasi matamong. Masarap siya pare sa kape. Hindi lang harina at asukal ang bumubuo sa tinapay. Nandiyan ang pawis ng
Golden, do you live with your parents or family?
sa ating mga ninuno. Kaya sa bawat kagat, Pinoy na Pinoy ang lasa.
Yeah, okay. Okay. With your parents. Good for you, Golden.
Sa Cebu City, ito ng Martes ng gabi. Nag-expect na
Always
Next time na po. Ito na ang mga susunod na mangyayari. Ang kisame ng Paul
doing.
dahil sa
What else you doing? Nothing. Soon I'm going to sleep. you come on here, then sleep after. Yeah.
Hanggang sa may sumisigaw na po ng third, doon na po kami lumabas.
Yun isang katunayan.
Pinay po kami ng mga security sa labas. Ang lingkod nitong Martes, isa na marahil sa pinakamalakas na lingkod na naranasan sa Cebu.
All okay, not really TV person. I'm not really a TV person. Yeah, all okay. Not really a TV person. TV. TV person. Television.
Sa dashcam video ito. Kita kung paano parang inugoy-ugoy ng lingkod
For the thumbs up, guys.
ng Dali Bridge.
You don't watch our movie. You don't watch. I'm watching drama. What else? Soda reels. Soda short movie. Dapps. I watching it.
Habang ang mga pasyente ng Cebu City Medical Center kinailangan daling-daling i-evacuate. Ang team naman ng OB-GYN na si Dr. Crasha nagtulong na sa pag-asikaso sa isang ina na inabutan ng panganganak sa labas ng ospital. Biglang bumuhos ang ulan. Yung nilagay na lang ko, Lord. Sakto yun. Sa gitna ng trahedya, may sumisikon na bagong buhay. Lord, salamat talaga at dumating ka kasi kung hindi ka dumating, siguro hindi na ako nakahinga yun. Pero ang pinaka-apektado sa sakunan ito, ang mga lugar sa Northern Cebu kung saan naitala ang epicenter o sentro ng lindol.
All okay.
Sa bayan ng
Yeah.
ang
All
itaas
okay.
na bahagi ng St. Peter and Paul Parish Church.
You don't have a pet. I don't like animals. I have no time to take care of them. I don't like. I like birds. If I want to have a bit of birds, oh my god. Shame. I like lovebirds. Yeah, lovebirds. I like. Shame.
Kumayo nung gano'n po naman nakita ko yung pader mismo na siguro mga 5 inches na lang sa paa mo. Sobrang lapit talaga ng tapos. Pag nayanin pa, nagdadasal lang na sana wala lang yung nangyari na
Yeah, I love birds. Bird or yes, it's called a bird. I love it.
Ang Philippine Coast Guard nakasama sa palaro. Pero ang
Very cool.
ay tinuturing ding ground zero ng lindol. Ang Cebu City.
The bird. I heard you guys can have the monkey.
Maraming mga bahay
No, I don't like
ang
monkey.
nasira.
I don't like monkey. I don't like animals.
Itong Biyernes,
Why?
lumipad po sa Cebu.
Just don't like.
Ang mga kababayan natin doon. Ito ho sa
You
highway
should.
ng Manila at
No.
Dadala ng tulong towards Bugos City. Sana wag lang daw po sa Bugos City.
Rachel, I know. Whatever.
Signs kasi kailangan daw nila ng tulong. We need water and food. Gusto mo ba dito sa inyo? Pag wala pa akong tubig, ano pang kailangan nyo rito? Sige, sabihin nyo na po. Tubig, pagkain.
Like a bird, I wanna fly away. I don't know, I'm a mess. So there are no cats there. How about cats here? That's why I don't like, because they pee everywhere, they poo everywhere. Ew.
Dadala ng relief goods papuntang Bugos City. So,
And their poo is bad smell.
ang syudad ng Bugos City sa Cebu ang pinakanapuruhan ng gusto.
Wow, yeah.
Magnitude na ito.
Yeah.
Ng September 30. At ayon sa reports, may sakit ang paggalaw ng isang fault line na ngayon lang umalat sa may bandang dagat sa loob ng 4 taon.
God,
Ang lalaking ito na natabunan ng buong
why didn't you train them?
dinaan sa pag-post ng
Don't have time to
ang
train.
paghingi niya ng saklolo.
When the cat give birth, I'm mad. Oh, cat, why you give birth? You don't you don't know how to take care of your kids. They poo everywhere here. They pee everywhere here, and the poo is so smell. You don't know how to clean the poo on of your child, the children. My mother make me my mother laughing at me. And Cheryl, you're crazy. Oh my god, why are you shouting the cats like that? Cats didn't understand you.
Kahit sumatan din sina Harvey at Chopido ang nagsinang
I understand. Oh, I know. Yeah, that's why. They're not, but not that on them.
ang kanyang thesis na 4 na buwang buntis. Pero makalipas ang halos isang oras, ang mag-asawa ligtas nilang nailabas. Nagpapagaling si Dante ngayon sa ospital. Habang ang kanyang
So, do you like to do them? Yeah, no choice because need to do that because gets hard to breathe. The smell of cat pee and the cat poo.
rescue and retrieval operations sa mga bumuhong bahay at gusali.
It's very bad smell. The cat.
Kabilang
The,
na ang pension house na ito. So, dito na rin po tayo sa sentro ng Bugos City. Dito po sa isang residential area.
my God.
Dating pension house na ito na bumigay din. 3 raw ho ang namatay dito. Kabilang na ang isang ina at ang kanyang anak na pinaglulong sa ngayon ng naiwang nag-iisang ama ng kanilang pamilya. Sa pension house, empleyado ang misis ni Isagani na si Gemma. Noong gabing tumama,
I would hope so.
nag-duty si Gemma at isinama niya ang kanilang anak na si
Thank you,
John
Golden. You only one here now. So maybe I need to end the life.
Tinawagan si Gemma.
You need to rest. Smell like Yeah,
Susundin na raw sana
that's
ng
right.
Marikina.
Not smell.
May natatanggap daw siyang masamang balita.
That's right. That's right. What's wrong? Nothing wrong.
Si Sagani, sabi na
Hmm.
sa paghintay.
Parang kahapon lang magkasama lang
Hanggang sa nahanap na ang kanyang ina.
magkahabang
Pero
ang kamay.
pareho na ito. Ilalagay
Tanda ko parang I see if we were on a date, you will just end that we're the only one in the restaurant. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Like now. You're the only one here now. So
Kasi
me.
nga, wala silang kamalay-malay na meron palang malapit sa kanilang line. At
You will just
ganyan
because
din po ang
you're the
sitwasyon sa
only
marami
one.
sa ating mga bayan, sa ating mga probinsya. Marami pang unidentified na fault lines. Kung meron man, mga
Where's the
natutulungan
people?
sa loob ng
Even Tim no here.
kaya nga
Just
siguro
only
ang leksyon na dapat nating matutunan sa lahat
little
ng ito,
living.
lagi
Maybe
tayong
they're
maging
busy.
alerto, lagi tayong maging handa. At now, more than ever, ibahin natin, patatagin pa po natin yung mga itinatayo natin mga istruktura.
I'm here.
Anong nakita
Oh,
dito sa
Team here now.
election
You're
process
two
na
now.
nagbigay?
Watching two people now.
Sila po yung una nakakuha po talaga ng mga biktima dito. Pumunta po kami dito para magkaroon po ng assessment.
Two people now. You're not the only one now, Golden.
Sa ngayon po, wala na po. Clear na po.
Kamusta na po ang sitwasyon po dito sa Mugo City?
Sa ngayon,
I've been here. Oh, Team here now.
hindi kami na
She's here now.
expect po na mangyari sa amin. Namin ang una is yung
I know them. Count to now. Two people watching now.
sa dagat pala
I'm just joking. I know you're just joking. I know you're just joking. You're not alone now.
Sa tala ng NDRRMC o ng National Disaster
I see Golden
Risk
hitting on you.
Management Council, hindi
Hitting
bababa
on
sa
me?
70 ang nasawi.
Ah,
30 sa mga ito sa Mugo City.
parang kahapon lang magkasama
Libo-libong mga residente naman ito
magkahawa
samantalang sumisilo sa mga relocation at evacuation center.
tanda ko parang
Ito natin yung isang relocation site ng mga nabiktima ng Bagyong Yolanda noong 2013 na ngayon nabiktima po ulit nitong malakas na ulan.
ako mapili
Hello, magandang araw,
parang
magandang adlaw.
ayoko na. I wasn't
Yung
telling.
mga taga rito po ay nakaligtas sa Super Typhoon Yolanda noong 2013.
I was just talking, yeah, just talking.
Na kanilang
Yeah, you're now only one now. You're only one now, Golden.
meron pa, may patay pa dyan.
Oh my God.
Ay, ako na po po ha.
Guys, just talking.
Pero nakuha na po ang bahay. Bakit po sila yung pinakalabuluhan?
Nice
Di ba okay naman? Kayo nakalabas po kayo? Bakit sila po kaya hindi nakalabas?
I'm not worried. Yeah, why you worried?
Yung mga tao dito sa labas po na nakatira.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Golden, for joining my live. And see you soon. See you next live. Bye-bye. You would know if I was really. Thank you, Golden. Thank you for joining my live. God bless. Thank you so much. See you later. Love you all. Thank you, mate. Thank you, guys. Thank you to joining me here and the other join here. Thank you so much. World videos. Thank you. Oh, sweet. William, Love 40. Thank you so much for joining me here. Insan, Charity. Thank you. The David Nix, thank you so much for dropping by. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Mark from Australia, thank you for joining me here. Rosalie Okada, Rosalie Berengel, thank you for joining me here. Yep. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye. Wait. I wasn't saying anything. So I had to do that. Bye-bye. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, my team. God bless. Good. Have a nice day. Good morning, America. Yes, I try not to talk.